And Gary 7. Everybody happy with that?
Sure.
Track in good shape?
Sure, you're turned around.
4 guys short course 8 main, go together on the
Did you put it like that on purpose?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, Chris. At least you're not the one with the backwards body.
Oh. That says it all ends up off the racetrack, gets himself back in. Andrew, the PQ, still on front. Zach Donaldson in second. Mike Granger in third. Ken the fourth. Backwards Bob in fifth.
He's got to look at the truck to see which way the truck is facing. I watched you on that, Gary. That was funny.
Kevin and Gary in fifth.
Oh.
Andrew and Zach tight. Zach doesn't try to through. Holy cow! Granger trying to jump all the way to the other lane. That was pretty incredible. You trying to jump over it? Yeah. No, that's not you. We're waiting for Dave Fish.
Nope. I caught a snake.
Watch it.
I'm on my lid.
Andrew still holding his own, Zach. Keeping it tight. Ken reeling Zach in. Oh, Andrew goes around. Zach goes by. So Zach. He was turned around. It wasn't on you. Andrew just a bit of a quick march to go up there wrong. Mike's off the next step. Then Ken Donaldson leads. Zach Donaldson second. Andrew up to a third spot. Mike in fourth. Fourth in a spot. Fifth. Gary sixth. Seventh. Upside down off the back of the hill. Stepping it up on the back stretch. Zach and Andrew. Zach gets twice the lead. Both of them skying off. Oh, Andrew goes to the inside. They both land the triple knife over the front. Over the front step. Over the big step in the middle. Andrew takes one couple. Let's see what Zach get away. See if he can run him down. He's got the top spot. By 3.8 seconds. Now, Andrew 2.6 behind Zach. Zach takes the ball out of that corner. Andrew has an opportunity to catch up. Zach doubles with Andrew 6 at the air. Slows him down with the parachute. Three and a half in, 2.5 minutes.
We're in that backside.
That's on the number one spot. Zach trying to hang on. Andrew running it down. That's a race right there. Andrew to the inside, gets the spot away. See if Zach can hang with him. That's that 3.5 race track there. He just needs to keep it clean.
Oh, big one. Damn it. I can't air up.
Oh, they both go around. Andrew gets off the racetrack. Zach getting his fourth for weight. Throw him up there, but quick. Stop. Kevin well in command. He's got clean racetrack ahead of him. He's back in second. Here comes Andrew in third. Mike Granger in fourth. Fifth mile, fifth, Kevin 6, Gary 7. They come by together. Nice clean racing there. Oh, Andrew touches the field. That was Zach Gander. Well, the minute 6 minutes to go, we'll see if Andrew can run back down. Wow. There's no clear. And here goes Andrew. 1 minute left. Taking advantage of the mistake back and coming back to it. Now it's back to the track 20 this time. Okay, now it's just coming up through.
That ain't good.
Andrew Shuck's got the quick lap of this race of a 25.43 seconds. Only 25-second lap on the grid.
What the hell's wrong? You like that, Dave? Oh.
Just a little wide with Andrew by.
Damn it.
Nice sportsman thing to do. Fly a little wide when you go. Kevin, stay off the racetrack.
That's going to get a full front. Oh. Come on.
10 seconds to go.
Ah.
You know, it shakes out. Car forward back.
Ah, I won't go.
Oh no, what's going on?
I can't, it won't move.
One over the cutoff, one of the others. Oh, they both go by.
Son of a bitch.
Car suicide. Car suicide. One is done. It's terrible.
The last 2 laps it kept
It is terrible. Car suicide. After all that, Jack Donaldson goes fight for the win. He had a second, third, fourth.
I told you.
6, 7, 7, 7, 7.